Well, welcome back, guys. We're just going to start cleaning up this trailer now, stripping it back to the frame rails, and then that'll give me easy access to making engine mounts and then painting and things like that. So we'll strip her all back and bring it back when something's accomplished. So this is not my favorite part of the build because all these nuts and bolts are all rusted in. So anyway, we'll strip it back and expose everything and then build it back up. Makes it a lot easier for repairing and painting everything. So. Some headway here. She's well rusted anyway. I got this side off as well, so and then just take this front cap off and then the radiator shroud, and we got her just about cleaned up. Well, here it is with all the panels taken off. So stripped back to the frame rails now. Got the bottom panels out as well. And the front panel I'll have to cut out because the previous owner welded it in. So slowly getting it cleaned up. Pull the pressure tank out. Get all that stuff removed, pull the engine out, and then take the unit outside and then pressure wash it. We'll see how that goes. It's supposed to go to minus 21 tonight. Minus 21 degrees centigrade. So that might make it a challenge for pressure washing. Anyway, we'll see. So, it's looking pretty good. Quite a bit of rust, as you'd expect, but that can be cleaned up. I'm half tempted to to get it sandblasted. But I'll go at it for a little bit and see how much work there is. Flip it upside down and clean the bottom of it as well. So get it ready for paint. Well, thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.